In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files to someone else on Dropbox. So open up your Dropbox. If you love to transfer a file, what you need to do, so I'm going to create a file now. I'll use this for an example. Create file, test file. You can just type in example. Click on next, click on upload. So I've created this file now. So I created this file for example. So if you love to share it to someone else, just tap on this three dotted icon. So it's the second option, tap on it. You're going to see share option, tap on the share. You're going to see copy link. So once you copy the link, you can be able to give it to that person. So this is it. So this is the link. So you can still come on here, tap on it, tap on the share. You're going to see share to. So if you tap on the share to, this is going to come out. So you can copy this link manually. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.